In primetime news this evening, robbery suspects charged under firearms legislation. Religious community reacts to the murder of St. Catherine pastor. And goat meat on the demand.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Thanks, Andrea. Now, they mentioned the intent last month under certain conditions that they would keep the policy interest rate at bay. The BOJ's Monetary Policy Committee has lived up to that decision. Now, we'll have the details later on.
All right, thank you. And from Javon, we go to Jordan. He has what's coming up in sports. Jordan?
Well, Herman, the JFF has made a change to its statutes which promises to cause a seismic shift in local football. I'll tell you all about that in a Primetime Sports Tuesday.
Feeding the earthquake. We also have sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening. Given the increased cost of some goods and services, how have you changed your spending habits this holiday season?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at TelevisionJam1.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.